Hello, YouTube. Just wanted to show a little bit of progress. All right. So lately, kind of lacking a little bit, but so far, got interior pieces out. That video might come before this. I'm not sure. But yanked out the interior with Vinny and took out the motor, transmission, cradle, everything on the front with my boy Just and Pops, and organized some stuff and still look junky as shit, but it's way better than what it was before, and it'll be even better when this get pulled out. But had to put the crane on the front, jack it up, drop it from the bottom, wire harness. Now I gotta undo the wire harness right now from the fuse box, and see from there. I might do the interior, take off some other miscellaneous pieces because it's getting swapped to the 99 Grand Prix that I got. I'm gonna do a LS4 swap. I'll let you know the info on it. I don't know if I'm gonna go turbo or if I'm gonna go like a crazy cam, and whatever my budget allows. But yeah, I may have some parts for sale on this side. That side is great. Maybe this is just the only messed up thing, but I think I did this prior to the accident. But it's better than having to go buy a new one that's all messed up and won't fit right, etc., etc. So yeah, this thing right here, this thing been knocking. I'm not sure if it's a rod knock or a rocker, collapse lifter, I mean. So, that DOD BS messes up a lot of these V8s. So, yeah, this is a thorough look around. I still didn't put the badge on yet. I was thinking about going gold on it, but I might just throw it on there anyway. Thought I'd make a quick video about the current condition of the Super. Super project is about to go down. This is the issue. Tell me if you can hear it. Yep, strikes again. For those who don't know, this is the second time this happened. My old Super did the same thing, which caused the cam motor to get put in the first place. This only put like 10,000 miles on it since I had it. And it started knocking like a few months ago. So, time to get to it. Tune in. All right, I tried something. I'm about to see if it works. Scooch all the back.